Luke Michael Howard, owner and hypnotist of Hypnosis, and you're probably watching this video because you're a client of mine, and I'm reteaching you some techniques that you're going to do daily to ensure that the change that we've made together stays locked in place totally and completely forever, and replaces that old behavior, so this new behavior that you want becomes your new normal. So on the theme of the hand, each finger representing a different way to deal with a negative emotion. Now if you already watched the first video, we taught you how to deal with anger. Now we're going to teach you how to deal with sadness. So your sadness finger is your ring finger, the second finger right there. So what would happen, for example, is if you experience sadness, sadness can be a form of depression, feeling low. These are all related to the sadness family. You rate that on a scale of 0 to 10 on the SUD, which stands for Subjective Unit of Distress. Let's say hypothetically that your sadness was a 7. All you simply do is you hold on to that finger. Just hold on to it. And just notice what happens. Notice what shifts. Notice what changes when you do this. And then check in with yourself where your sadness is now. And it may have dropped by 2, it may have dropped completely by this point. But just a cool little hack that you can do in order to help to alleviate sadness. Now, as you know from the other videos, you might need to do this a few times because you've got neurological pathways, i.e. there's a certain trigger that used to make you feel sad, so you'd always go down that road. What this helps to do is interrupt the pattern and set up a new neurological pathway in your mind, a new road, a new door, if you will. Because if you only got one road or door to go through, that's the only road or door you're ever going to take. But if you've got another road, then you start to have choice. This starts to give you choice here, start to change in that behaviour. And after a while, for some of you more quicker than others, the more you practice this, is that old road, that old neurological pathway of see this, experience this, trigger makes me feel sad, starts to get switched off because you're not travelling down that road anymore because you keep interrupting it by doing this. And after a while, that road or that behaviour just gets switched off like any road. If nobody travels down a road anymore, over time, what happens to that road? Well, it goes back to how it was originally, which was probably grass and some kind of wooded area, i.e. there is no road, there's no way you can travel down there anymore with a car. And you've got this new neurological pathway, a new way of doing things. So that is the ring finger, that's your second finger, that's how to deal with sadness, a quick little hack there. I've been Luke Michael Howard, and I'm the owner of Hypnosis, and I also like to say at the end of these videos, always believe.